Here at Savlamar Hospital in Westmoreland, where we're doing a tour with the medical team to look at two most recent developments to enhance the service provisions here. The first one is the conversion of the COVID ward, which we built during COVID, into the Savlamar Health Center, essentially. That conversion has taken place up to the end of last month, October, a week or so ago, where we now have cubicles for doctors and patients. We have a waiting area, nurses station, and looking at it, talking to the patients, they are far more comfortable from where they were before, which was on another side of the town, and a lot bigger space, maybe 10 times bigger than what they had pre-COVID when the facility was here at the hospital. So this is, in a way, one of the benefits of the COVID infrastructure build out. And as you can see, when the tour took place, the patients are a lot more comfortable and have expressed appreciation. Now, what we intend to do with the team, is to, over time, convert that facility from a temporary structure, meaning the doom tent, into a concrete structure and a permanent structure. The foundation was deliberately built solid in anticipation of that expansion. And so over the next number of months into next year, we're going to be doing the architectural designs, and that will have implications for an expanded Savlamar Hospital in terms of space, both ward space and clinic space. Then we went to look at a new broiler that was bought, long overdue, years upon years. In fact, the staff here tells me that this is one of the best things that has happened to the hospital. This is a $80 million investment that has seen this new broiler, which will affect surgery in terms of sterilization, dietary in terms of meal preparation, and laundry in terms of just ensuring that linen is kept clean and is dealt with efficiently here. So that was always a problem because we had an old broiler, and at times when downtime you had to go to other places in order to get. So it now will enhance the efficiency of the services here. All told, what we're seeing here is well over $100 million worth of expenditure at Savlamar Hospital to both convert for greater services, to get back to the pre-COVID levels, as well as to enhance the quality of service with the broiler and with the additional space. So another good day for public health and a good